which means that I'm Nate.
I'm Katie.
This is our first video, Katie. This is like people get to know us here now, and we're gonna drink together. That's the page.
We are gonna drink a lot together.
But this is also gonna be a little crazy. How did this happen? How did we get to this place where we decided we're gonna eat the one chip challenge? Because I'm not ready for this.
We were drinking together.
Shit.
And we were talking about hot foods and my experience with the hot foods at the Parisian.
Okay, yes, and I have a photo of this. I'm showing it right now, I think, because I feel like people need to see just how crazy it was when you did do this. I don't see if I can show the photo right now, so what I'm going to do is post it in the comments. But we were at the Frisian, and what was it? It wasn't even
Nightmare Spice chips.
Okay, and so Nightmare Spice. So how much is it compared to this?
I don't know. They didn't give us our little IBUs or whatever it is, but yes.
The point of this was yes, and you touched your face.
I touched my face. My eyeballs died. It was a big thing. It was hysterical, but the chips were excellent.
The chips were good, but I had like one. I could barely handle it. You ate the whole thing like it was nothing, and So I had a friend who told me this week that I shouldn't do this, which I'm now beginning to believe them. And second, there was another friend that said they didn't watch reaction videos until they saw the one chip challenge, and now they watch reaction videos. And I realized that by definition, this is a reaction video of me chickening out. Do we have something to cut this thing open with?
A knife. No,
so how do you pronounce the name? Paqui?
Paqui? I think it's Paqui. Paqui one chip challenge.
And all they do is make one chip. I mean, this is a great business model. But the cost of one chip versus a whole bag of chips.
All right. So here is our one chip.
This is not only a reaction video; it's an unboxing video. What's it? Okay, you versus the Reaper. What to expect? Spicy punch. Oh, I just dropped my chip. Shit.
Okay, so it says, how long can we last before throwing in the towel? So 5 minutes, we're a featherweight. 10 minutes, we're a lightweight. 30 minutes, we're a middleweight. And 1 hour, we are a heavyweight. 1 hour, you are out of your mind.
I am not doing this for an hour.
Yes.
I got the...
Oh, we get a champion. I guess this is a champion if we last.
And I get a free bag of these things. Fantastic. No, I do not want a free bag of these chips.
Excellent.
Oh...
All right.
So this is, I got my one chip. If you dare, rules. Eat entire chip, wait as long as you can without eating or drinking anything. Post your reaction under the hashtag one chip. All right, well, I'm going to hashtag the one chip. Oh, you have something
so that we can here's handle? Our plastic bags so that we can open up the chip because you are not allowed to touch the chip.
Who said that you're not allowed?
You shouldn't touch the chip. You're allowed. Then you don't want to touch anything else.
So I'm not supposed to touch this damn thing, but I'm going to put it in my body?
Absolutely.
Oh.
Absolutely.
Oh, well, at least we prepped. We had a good breakfast this morning.
We did. We had a big breakfast.
We ate Swedish pancakes from the pancake. Oh, my chip's broken already, so this is done. It's done. I can't. There's crumbs in here. Oh,
I lost a small piece. That's gonna.
No, I got them all in here. Oh. Okay. I feel like Tina from the cartoon.
I can smell it
I'm just
already.
like Bob's Burgers, and I'm just like, oh, this isn't gonna be good.
It just smells like hot.
It does smell hot. Like
it's just.
I don't want to inhale. Like I don't even want to smell it. Like because it's.
All right.
So what's your technique here?
I ripped it into like 4 pieces that I just have stacked on top of each other, so I can just chew, swallow, die.
So I just want to do this all at once.
Yeah, I don't think we want to take these bites by bite. I'm not sure if I start with one piece, I will put the rest of them in.
Oh, it's so black and disgusting.
Oh, okay. Somebody needs to get us a 5-minute timer started.
Oh, all right.
Okay.
Here's to the people watching. This is the one chip challenge.
Cheers.
With Nate and Katie. Oh.
Okay. It's so chalky.
It's oh god, it's downhill. Holy shit.
I'm still chewing.
Oh, I can't. Oh, whoa. Oh, that's hot. It didn't taste good at all.
No.
Oh, I'm at 47. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's real bad.
Oh, this is terrible. I got. Oh. I'm crying. Oh.
This is horrible. It's burning in my ears.
I'm out. I regret this. I need ice cream.
Oh my god.
Oh.
How much time do I have?
Oh, I'm crying.
1 minute 44 seconds is made it. Oh Jesus. Now.
She got left 3 minutes.
I'm going numb at this point.
Oh.
Like the whole back of my throat is numb.
Oh, it's so hot. Why did I do this? Oh.
Oh my god. Are there more paper towels over there?
Yeah.
I need to wipe my eye, and I don't want to do it with my hand. Oh, I made it 2.5 minutes. Oh.
Oh, I need it. Oh, so hot. Oh. Oh, I'm.
I got about 2 minutes left. 2 minutes.
Oh. No, I just need like water. Oh.
Well, the good news is it's not getting any worse. It's not getting any better, but it's not getting any worse. It's burning mostly in my teeth and my ears, which is weird. Like, how do your teeth burn?
My lips are on fire. I can hardly talk. Oh.
Oh, Lord.
My lips are killing me.
Oh, how would people make it more than 5 minutes doing this?
I don't know. This was stupid.
This may be our first and last live video. You never go live with me again.
Let's not do this anymore. Oh, wow.
Starting to feel it in the corner of my mouth now.
In the corner? I've been in my whole mouth.
No, the corner of my mouth.
My whole lips.
My gums. And my ears. That's where it's burning the most.
Oh, shout out to Love's Ice Cream for giving us this delicious ice cream. Oh. Not to Paqui. You guys are crazy. That wasn't nice. Oh.
Yeah, this is something.
Oh,
I think the worst part was the consistency of that chip. Oh, it was so gross.
Mm-hmm.
It was like chewing charcoal.
So I'm chewing. I'm like, this is fine. In the moment I swallowed, instant pain.
Yeah.
Instant pain.
Oh.
Katie, you're almost
5
there.
Seconds.
4, 3, 2,
I'm not going for 10
1.
minutes.
Okay, Katie, you're good.
I'm not going for the 10 minutes. No, that's too much. I think I could. Because it's not getting any worse at this point.
Oh, it's going to get worse.
Oh, I mean, it's gonna get worse in 5 hours. It's not getting worse in my mouth at this point.
Oh, Katie, why do we do this? This is crazy.
Why not?
This ice cream's delicious.
Oh.
I did
5.5. Can I be like?
You got it.
Like hardcore if I go an extra 30 seconds.
You did it. You did it.
I just. Oh, it's so cold. Or hot.
Oh.
This is gonna be so good.
This ice cream's delicious. It's the black licorice. I did a video with Carrie the Mortician. It's on our page. And for Halloween, she did a collab with Love's Ice Cream, and their Halloween flavor was black licorice. Oh, I got it on my chin. Someone's telling me it's on my chin. Oh. Do we have something to drink? I need a water.
You want water? There's right behind you in the fridge.
I'm sorry, people.
All right.
Oh.
I'm good.
Oh. I'm not good. I'm not good at all.
How's my makeup? Is it all over my face again?
Oh, yeah. Don't touch your eyes. Is that a different paper towel?
Yeah, we're good. This is the.
We learned that from the last time.
Paper towel.
Yeah, my face is so red. Oh.
Yeah. I'm just wondering if it's like, because it's all right, like it burns, but like, it's like a comfortable numb.
This is a comfortable numb? No, this is a terrible numb. This is as hard as it gets.
It's like a comfortable numb?
Oh, it was fine when I was chewing it. The moment I swallowed it, it was instant fire. I might have thrown up in your sink. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We'll clean it up.
Oh.
You'll clean it up.
Oh, yeah, I'll clean it. Yeah. Oh. Well, I'm really glad people are watching and joining us. This is the first of many things.
Yes. We're going to be doing a lot of fun things. Not always crazy shit like this.
No.
No, probably more like drinking delicious cocktails that are cold.
Yeah.
And feel great going down.
Oh, yeah. I would love to drink more than eat stupid hot chips. Oh.
This ice cream's delicious.
Mm-hmm. Speaking of delicious, Katie, you have a food blog that is awesome. That's how I got to know you, is through the food blog. We have done a couple new restaurant Wednesdays together.
We have. We've done many new restaurant Wednesdays, one of which was our Frisian experience that led to the Paqui chip challenge.
Oh, that chip was fine compared to that. That was like a baby chip.
It was, because I probably ate about 70 of those chips.
Oh, but I will say this. I'm excited to do this with you. You do awesome things with food. I really enjoy cocktails. People that don't know us, this is like our first intro video. You know, I have a drinkware company called the Original Tin Cup Company, and we have some ownership in a distillery, and we're going to be talking to some fun people in the industry. And then you have an amazing food blog, and so we'll be eating and drinking as well on some cool places.
Absolutely.
I can't think straight right now. It's just so bad. Oh, it's so bad.
Yeah.
Why do people do, like, I mean, I know I did this to get started. We were drinking together and we came up with this idea.
We came up with the idea. I ordered the chips. They came 2 days later. Impressive.
They came too quickly. Like, had it been like some other, like, had we had some time, I'd have been like, yeah, you can cancel that order.
Yeah, no, they shipped instantly. They arrived within 2 days. It was a Sunday that we were drinking together. And I ordered on a Sunday night, and they were at my doorstep on Tuesday. So it's like Amazon quick.
Well, and that was the thing. I remember us talking about it. I don't remember the ordering of it. And then I got the photo you texted me, and I was like, oh my God, it's happening.
It wasn't a bad dream. We really said we were doing this.
My better half, when you sent the text, she even said, why did you even agree to do this? And I was like, we were drinking together. It was a good time. It was a good idea.
Yeah.
She was right. Oh. Well.
I know you said you didn't watch any reaction videos. I watched reaction videos.
Yes.
I read up on this.
Yes.
I read a lot of people's notes and thoughts.
Yep.
And just a giant shout out to whoever said, to do ice cream instead of milk.
Oh.
I can't drink milk. I cannot drink milk. Oh. But this is glorious.
It just feels so magical on your tongue. It's so.
Plus it's pumpkin spice, so like I can be basic while I'm doing crazy things.
I didn't realize there was pumpkin spice.
Oh yeah.
When is pumpkin spice season over? When we move into eggnog season, like?
I think the day after Thanksgiving.
Okay.
No, Black Friday we can still be basic with our PSLs while we're doing our shopping.
Oh my goodness! Black Friday, we're gonna have so much fun on Black Friday. Yeah, you and I we're gonna do some stuff on Black Friday. We'll have a blast, and this was terrible. Oh.
I don't think it was that bad.
I would say
we'll know down the road how bad this was, but
now it's bad.
Right now I'm okay.
Yeah, I'm not okay. Oh,
yeah, the
I'm okay with saying
that. I'm starting to get feeling back into my face.
Oh no, not me.
Yeah, I expected a lot worse from the up front of this, so we'll see how the
I was
good.
See how
the after effects treat us.
I was good. Oh.
We'll see if I shot of Pepto-Bismol helped us.
We did take a shot of Pepto-Bismol beforehand, but that's gone. That's over here. Oh, interesting.
I'll see if it helps me then.
Oh my goodness, this was intense. This was fun.
This was fun. Yes, thank you everyone for watching us live.
Yeah, thanks for laughing at my pain.
Yes, like our page, follow us so
yes,
we can
please,
keep doing more shenanigans like this.
Yes, and we're gonna do some giveaways. We'll do a lot of fun things together, but hopefully not too many of these because this was painful.
I'm proud of you for sticking through this. When I got a text from you this morning, I thought for sure you were telling me you were out.
Oh no, I was not going to be out. I was like, what are we going to eat for breakfast? Because we need good food.
We did have a good breakfast, so hopefully that as well will help us down the road today.
So I did see a little fact on this. Shout out to Loves again. They should sponsor us too. We need to get it.
Yes,
but the black licorice ice cream. The reason it's so black.
It's like the same color as your chip.
Well, yeah. Oh, it is. It is. They use squid ink to get the black because it's all natural, and so they use squid ink, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, stuff. It's good. Very good.
Well, it's gonna get uglier than this, not prettier. So
yeah, we'll keep updates throughout the rest of the day as to how we're faring, how the evening treats us, and
it's not gonna be good. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Look forward to seeing you all and getting to know you all better. And cheers.
Cheers.